What exactly is cryptocurrency? You've probably heard of Bitcoin, Ethereum, or Dogecoin. But what do they really mean? And why is everyone talking about them? In this short video, I'll explain what cryptocurrency is, how it works, and why it matters in a way anyone can understand. By the end of this video, you'll know the basics of crypto and why it's changing the world of money. What is cryptocurrency? Cryptocurrency is digital money. It exists only online. You can't hold it like cash or coins. But unlike regular money controlled by governments, cryptocurrency is decentralized, meaning no single person, company, or government controls it. Instead, cryptocurrencies run on a special technology called blockchain. Think of blockchain as a public online notebook that records every transaction made using that cryptocurrency. The first cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, was created in 2009. Since then, thousands of other cryptocurrencies have appeared, like Ethereum, Solana, and Litecoin. What makes cryptocurrency unique is that it's secure, global, and works without the need for banks. So, how does cryptocurrency actually work? When you send or receive crypto, the transaction gets recorded on the blockchain. This record is permanent and transparent. Everyone can see it, but no one can change it. New coins are often created through a process called mining, especially for Bitcoin. Miners use powerful computers to solve difficult puzzles. If they solve the puzzle, they're rewarded with new coins. Other cryptocurrencies use something called staking, where people help verify transactions by locking up some of their crypto. To use cryptocurrency, people store it in crypto wallets. These can be apps on your phone or even special hardware devices. And if you want to buy or sell crypto, you can use crypto exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. So why do people use or invest in cryptocurrency? Why are people so excited about cryptocurrency? There are actually several good reasons. 1. Investment opportunities. Many people see cryptocurrency as an investment. Bitcoin, for example, started with little to no value and has risen to thousands of dollars per coin. Early investors made huge profits. Even though the prices go up and down a lot, what we call volatility, many still believe that cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin will increase in value over time. 2. Fast and cheap transactions. Sending money with cryptocurrency is often faster and cheaper than using traditional banking systems, especially for international payments. Banks might take days to process transfers and charge large fees. Cryptocurrency transactions can take just minutes or even seconds, with very small fees in comparison. 3. Privacy and control. Cryptocurrency gives people more control over their money. In traditional banking, banks can freeze accounts or deny transactions. With cryptocurrency, as long as you control your wallet, no one can stop you from accessing your funds. Plus, while crypto transactions are recorded on the blockchain, users are only identified by long codes, making transactions semi-anonymous. While cryptocurrencies have many advantages, they also come with serious risks. 1. Volatility. Cryptocurrency prices can change wildly in short periods of time. One day, Bitcoin might be worth $60,000. The next week, it could drop to $40,000. This makes investing in cryptocurrency risky, especially for beginners. 2. Scams and frauds. Because of the excitement around cryptocurrency, scams have become common. Fake investment websites, phishing scams, and rug pulls, where developers abandon a project after collecting people's money, are major risks. That's why it's essential to do thorough research before investing in any cryptocurrency project. 3. Regulation and legal issues. Different countries have different rules about cryptocurrencies. Some countries embrace crypto, while others ban or restrict it. Governments are still figuring out how to regulate these digital assets. So while cryptocurrency brings exciting opportunities, it's not a guaranteed way to get rich. It's essential to educate yourself and understand the risks involved. So, to sum it all up, cryptocurrency is a form of digital money that's secure, decentralized, and built on blockchain technology. It offers fast transactions, new investment opportunities, and greater control over personal finances. But it also comes with risks. Whether you decide to invest or just want to stay informed, one thing is clear: cryptocurrency is changing the way we think about money. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more educational content.